Today I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite holiday treats, peanut butter blossom cookies. They're soft, chewy, and come with a touch of sea salt, caramel, and of course that iconic Hershey Kiss center. Let's get started. First up, let's mix the dry ingredients in a medium bowl. Whisk together flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Once that's done, set it aside while we prepare the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, I've got some softened butter and creamy peanut butter. Using my electric hand mixer, I'll beat this together until it's smooth and creamy. Next, we're adding in the granulated sugar and brown sugar. Mix it all up on medium-high speed for about 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Time for the eggs. Beat them in one at a time, making sure everything is well combined. Oh, and a quick tip, use a no-stir peanut butter with stabilizers for the best results. It really helps with the texture. And don't forget a splash of vanilla extract. It's the secret to that amazing flavor. Now gradually add those dry ingredients into the wet ones. Mix everything until it's just combined. Let's shape these cookies. Use a cookie scoop to portion out the dough, then place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Be sure to space them about 2 inches apart for spread. Pop them into your preheated oven at 350 and bake for 9 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're done when the edges are golden and the centers are set but soft. Once the cookies come out of the oven, let them cool for just a minute or two. Then press a Hershey Kiss firmly into the center of each one. If you're feeling fancy, here's where that sea salt caramel twist comes in. Sprinkle a little flaky sea salt on top for that sweet and salty balance. Then drizzle your favorite caramel sauce over the cookies, homemade or store-bought. It's totally up to you. And that's it. Peanut butter blossom cookies with a delicious twist. They're classic, a little elevated, and absolutely irresistible. I hope you enjoy making and eating these cookies as much as I do. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. The recipe is linked in the description box below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy, delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.